Hey, what's up guys, TechTubes here. So today in this video we are going to do the unboxing and review of this brand new Canon 200D which was recently launched in India. So like this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get straight into the video. So here we have the box of Canon 200D and it says 2 years of extended warranty. So we are getting a 2-year warranty from Canon and I bought it with kit lens. So here we have two lenses. One is 18 to 55 mm STM lens and second is 55 to 250 mm STM lens. And here we have one more picture of Canon 200D with the extra lens, and we are getting a 16 GB memory card inside. Canon is giving a 15 GB memory card, and we are also getting a bag from Canon. So as you can see, so here we have the bag. It says EOS and it is a very good bag. From as you can see the interior, so it has two compartments as you can see. So here you can keep your camera and here you can keep the lens. We are getting an extra pocket in this bag. We can keep our charger, lens hood, and we have a small pocket. So it is a very good bag which we are getting from Canon. And let's come back to the box, and here we have some contents given in the box. So it says digital camera, EOS 200D, zoom lens 18 to 55 mm and zoom lens 55 to 250 mm lens. We are getting a strap, a battery charger and a battery pack. So this all content we are getting in this box with the Canon branding. And on the back it says some feature of the camera for connectivity. So here we have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC and HDMI port also, so we can connect it with our TV and we can display our pictures or videos. And on this side we have pricing. So pricing, it says 60,400. So it is written pretty expensive. You can buy this from online like Flipkart or Amazon. So you can buy this for 55,000 with the extra lens also. So or you can buy from outlet like exclusive Canon stores. It is available there also. So now let's unbox this. So now let's get into the box now. So first here we have Rebel SL2, or you can say EOS Canon 200D, a booklet you can say. So if you want to learn something, you can learn from this. Every single instruction is given in this booklet. So it is a good booklet, and if you want to read for some modes, you can read this. Here we have a warranty card. So as you can see, 1+1 2 years warranty we are getting with Canon. So here we have the warranty card, and this is a bill from Canon. So let me keep this paperwork aside and let's go into the box. So this is the overview of the box, and first let me go here. And so this is which company memory card they are providing. So we are getting an Ultra SanDisk memory card. So it is a very good thing that SanDisk, a very good company, and we are getting a SanDisk memory card. And other contents, we are getting a battery. So here we have a battery. It says Canon, and it is written that it is a 1040 mAh battery. So you can click 1000 up to 1000 shots, and yes, then we will keep it aside. And here we have the battery charger. So you can charge one battery at a time, and here we have the Sorry for interruption guys, my card was full and now I have put a new memory card. So I was telling that here we have two LEDs. One is saying that one will indicate that it is charging, another one will indicate that it is full now. So as you can see the Canon branding, and you can charge one battery at a time. So the next thing we are getting in this box is this charging cable. So you can connect this charging cable in that charger and this strap. So let me keep this aside and let's come to this small 18 to 55 mm lens. So this time Canon is giving new lens with a new motor. So here we have the new lens, as you can see, Canon lens. As you can see. Now let's go to another thing. Let's come to body. So here we have the Canon body, Canon 200D body. I'm pretty excited to open this. So here is the Canon 200D body, and Canon says that Canon 200D is the smallest camera, and yes, you can see it is a very compact camera. It is smaller than my hand, but to cover all the hand we are getting a deep cut inside this, you can say, to get a better grip, and you can see, and here we are getting a fully articulated screen with this camera, as you can see. And yes, so this is the body. Let me remove this. This camera can click 5 frames per second, and it is a very good camera for also sports shooting. And in this camera we are also getting a mic input and HDMI card, and here we have the mic input also, as you can see, microphone and mic input we are getting. So let me open this for you all. You can see, and now let me close this. Now let me show you the big lens, 55 to 250 side. So here we have the big lens. Very good packing. So here we have the big lens by Canon, and it is a new lens, and I also have the old lens. Let me show you the old 55 to 255 mm lens. So here we have the new small lens, and we have also we have the old lens. This is my lens hood. Here we have the old lens, and you can see the size difference between these two lenses. So it is pretty big, and we have a new motor also in this lens, as you can see. There's a great difference between these two lenses. So as I have shown you both the lenses, and it is the old lens, so let me keep this lens aside, and now let me apply this small lens into this body. And so now it is ready to be booted up. I forgot to put the battery in this camera, so let me put the battery. So this is the overview in this camera. We have many modes, as you can see: manual mode, shutter priority, aperture priority, Now let me show you. So creative filters we are getting. So this is the special scene mode, creative auto, flash off mode, scene intelligent auto mode, program AE, shutter priority, aperture priority, and we are back to manual. So you can see it is a very small and it is a very light camera in comparison to other cameras. And Canon, already I have told you that Canon says it is the light, it is the compact and it is the smallest camera. And we also have the sensor cleaning, as you can see. Let me show you. In this camera we are also getting the sensor cleaning system, as you can see. And we are getting a 3-inch articulated display, and on the top here we have the clicking button, and on the top all the settings and all the buttons are given here. Here we have the LV mode button, and here it is written EOS Canon 200D, and here is the new STM lens. And so this all I can show you in this unboxing of this brand new Canon 200D. And keep supporting, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and keep supporting. So bye guys.